Next we are discussing prove that pi by 6 is less than integration 0 to 1 dx divided by root over 4 minus x square minus x cube is less than pi root 2 divided by 8. So this problem we have to prove. Now solution. So in this problem, first thing what we have to check, see this side we have pi and this side also we have pi. That means here we will not use monotonicity. Okay, then what you will do? So first thing is what? 1 divided by root over 4 minus x square minus x cube we can take as a function fx. So we are taking fx is what? 1 divided by root over 4 minus x square minus x cube. Okay. Now what you will do here? Here we will find out two functions gx and hx in such a way that fx should lie between gx and hx. And second thing is what? Integration of 0 to 1 gx into dx and integration of 0 to 1 hx and dx. So this integration value should give what? Pi by 6, and this integration value should be given by pi root 2 divided by 8. Okay. So that means integration of 0 to 1 gx dx and integration 0 to 1 hx dx should be possible. Okay. So two things we have to take care. Then what you will do? Okay. So we want a function gx and hx in such a way that fx should lie between gx and hx and integration should be possible. Okay. So what you will do? Fx is this one. So here first thing we will take denominator 4 minus x square minus x cube. Okay. Then what you will do? See this one integration we can't do because here x cube is there. Now here instead of x cube if I put x square, so what will come? 4 minus x square minus x square. Okay, this type of integration we can do. And second thing, can you remove x cube? So what will come? 4 minus x square. So first thing is what? We will find out relation between in these three quantities. Okay. So how to find out relation between in these three quantity? Okay. So here we don't know x value. So first thing is what? If you know x value, we can say which one is greater, which one is smaller. That we can say. So what is x value? So here you can see we are integrating between 0 to 1 dx divided by root over 4 minus x square minus x cube. So here integrating variable is what? X. That means this limit is what? X equal to 0 to x equal to 1. So we can say that x belongs to what? 0 to 1. So in this interval we have to check which one is greater, which one is smaller. Okay. So here first thing is what? Here we have x square and here we have x cube. So x square and x cube. In the interval x belongs to 0 to 1, which one is greater in these two? That we have to check. So for that we can take x value is 1 by 2. So here what will come? 1 by 4 and here what will come? 1 by 8. 1 by 4 and 1 by 8, which one is greater? 1 by 4. So here we can say x square is greater than x cube. Then here we want minus, here also we want minus. So can you multiply here minus? So what will come? Minus x square is less than minus x cube will come. Minus x square less than minus x cube. And we can say that 0 will be greater than from both the numbers. So 0 is what? Greater than minus x cube we can say. Okay, because these are the negative numbers. Okay, and this is 0. So we can say 0 is greater than minus x cube. Now what you will do? Here we will add what? 4 minus x square. So if you add 4 minus x square, what will come? 4 minus x square minus x square is less than 4 minus x square minus x cube is less than 4 minus x square. This will come. Okay. Now what you will do? We want 1 by root of 4 minus x square minus x cube. Okay. Then what you will do here? Here we can take square root. So square root if you take, what will come? Root of 4 minus 2x square is less than root over 4 minus x square minus x cube is less than root over 4 minus x square. Then what you will do? Then we will take what? Reciprocal. If you take reciprocal, what will come? 1 divided by root over 4 minus 2x square is greater than 1 divided by root over 4 minus x square minus x cube is greater than 1 divided by root over 4 minus x square. This will come. Now these three will integrate between 0 to 1. Okay. So what will come here? Integration 0 to 1. 1 divided by root over 4 minus 2x square. Okay. So here what we can take? 2 common we can take. So root 2 is outside. Root over what will come at 2 minus x square dx is greater than integration 0 to 1 dx divided by root over 4 minus x square minus x cube is greater than integration 0 to 1 dx divided by root over 4 minus x square. This will come. Okay, now what will come here? 1 by root 2 is what outside. Integration 0 to 1 dx divided by root over this 2 we can write root 2 whole square minus x square is greater than integration 0 to 1 dx divided by root over 4 minus x square minus x cube is greater than 0 to 1 dx divided by root over this one we can add 2 square minus x square. Okay, now we know integration of dx divided by root over a square minus x square. So this is what? Sine inverse x by a plus c. Okay, and we are doing definite integration, so we can do by this one. So here what will come? 1 by root 2. Okay, 0 to 1 dx divided by root over root 2 whole square minus x square. So here a value is what? Root 2. So this one will come out sine inverse x divided by root 2. Limit is what? 0 to 1 is greater than integration 0 to 1 dx divided by root over 4 minus x square minus x cube as it is greater than this one. Integration what will come? Sine inverse x by 2 between limit 0 to 1. So here what will come? 1 by root 2 in bracket. If I put x value is what? 1. So sine inverse 1 by root 2. Sine inverse 1 by root 2 minus, if I put 0, so what will come? Sine inverse 0 is greater than integration 0 to 1 dx divided by root over 4 minus x square minus x cube is greater than, here what will come? Sine inverse 1 by 2 minus sine inverse 0. This will come. So 1 by root 2 in bracket sine inverse 1 by root 2, that is pi by 4, and this is 0, so pi by 4 will be greater than integration 0 to 1 dx divided by root over 4 minus x square minus x cube is greater than sine inverse 1 by 2. So what will come here? Pi by 6. This will come. Okay, so this is root 2. So we got pi by 4 root 2 is greater than integration 0 to 1 dx divided by root over 4 minus x square minus x cube is greater than pi by 6 will come. Okay, so here what we can write? See, pi by 6 is greater than, okay, pi by 6 is less than this one. So integration 0 to 1 dx divided by root over 4 minus x square minus x cube. Okay, and this is greater than, so less than pi by root 2 into 4. So this one we can add what? Pi root 2 divided by 8. So that's your proof.